How to change name on TurboTax. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on TurboTax account. In order to do so, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar, you will need to type in turbotax.intuit.com, or you can also simply type in turbotax.com. Now press on enter button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of TurboTax. Here, ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now in this page, you will be able to see Intuit account option at the bottom left. Once you find it, simply click on it, and then you will be taken to your account manager page. Here in this account manager page, you will be able to see quick actions option on the section at the right side, and here you will need to click on this show more option right here. From here, you can click on this change name option right here, or if you didn't see this section, then you will need to click on this profile option right here, and then here find the name option. Once you locate this name option, you will need to simply click on it, and now here you will be able to add your new name, erase the previous name, and then enter your new name. After that, click on the save button right here. Now wait for a few seconds and your name will be updated automatically. So by following these steps, you should be able to change your name on TurboTax. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.